Mr. Hoskinson! Mr. Hoskinson, stop! Sir, Charles, I just wanted to know, will Ada ever have smart contracts that work?
I have no idea. When we did the ICO, I thought crypto was going to be dead in 6 months, so now it's been a 4-year soft rug.
You're a scammer! No cryptocurrency founders were hurt in the making of this video. Now let's jump into the charts and news.
You big all sus, yeah. I just doubled up on crypto. I just doubled down on the new vest. Now my chair looking like 2 checks. Type of money made me want to 2-step. Who next? This week I be on the moon next. Stock going up like 2x. That's a fast flip like suplex. Two really stepping like a duplex. You bet never lose change, but I do flex.
Bitcoin on the daily chart, a huge breakout, and as you know, we trade the 21 exponential moving average on this channel, and as you can see, it was getting support for about a week on the 21. Just when we thought it was going to roll over, it bounces like crazy. This is why you always focus on the charts and not on the sentiment. Never trade tops. Always trade the trend. If the trend is up, you got to stay with the trend. If you're trying to trade the top, you're going to be wrong 9 times. Right here, you would have been wrong 9 times, okay? So now we are in price discovery mode. Bitcoin is looking great. Bitcoin is at all-time highs, and it is a beautiful, beautiful thing. Ethereum is even stronger. Ethereum is respecting this pivot, and where does this pivot come from? They come from God at this point because we're in price discovery. It comes from Fibonacci's because we are in price discovery mode. These are Fibonacci pivots. They all work on the 1.618 code of the universe, and it looks like it is respecting it very well. I think if you missed it and you want to get in, I think a good buy would be 44.90 on Ethereum. Hex also doing exactly what I said. Hex is touching the 366 exponential moving average, but unfortunately, this is not the reaction that I wanted. I wanted a big bounce here. You guys know I've been sick and tired of making negative videos about Hex, but man, look at this. It looks like absolute death. We lost the 200. This is the 21 exponential moving average. When the price action is below this white line, that is the trend. Daily chart. Right here, you can see it confirmed the daily downtrend. It hasn't even been strong enough to confirm it again. This is a free fall. We lost the 200 exponential moving average. That is very, very important. 366 exponential moving average is the longest moving average. And right now, we are finding a weak bounce on here. Unfortunately, come on, guys. At least pump it up to this pivot here at 19 cents. As you can see, the 21 is diving very low. We could bust above it. Let's get above 23 cents, confirm a few candles, then would be a good time to buy, in my opinion. Why? Because it's a risk reward. There are no certainties. There are only probabilities, and the probabilities would be high. You know who else is sick and tired? Richard Hart. He tweeted, y'all will get a live stream when I get to stop coughing. We all hope that it's not the coof. We hope he is safe and sound. I hope that Richard Hart has some Louis Vuitton cough medicine out of a golden Rolex goblet that is encrusted with rubies, sapphires. Is rubies a sapphire? And gold, platinum. Shiba Inu is finding support on the 21 exponential moving average and the P pivot right here on the main pivot. This could be a buy for SHIB, not financial advice. We'll take a look at Sand. Sand broke down. It did try to find support out in outer space. I do not trade this. This would not be a trade for me. Right down here, Sand at about $1.9, I think. All right, let's take a look at Mana. Mana also out here in outer space. Not interested at all. ADA is getting a little bit of a bounce, and see, this is how markets bottom, guys. This is how it bottoms. As you can see, it bounced off the 200. Good reaction. Low volume, though. It's not looking that good. And then look, we're above the 21. We confirmed the 21. Off we go to the R1 pivot. ADA back here, down here at $2.11 would be a buy at the 21 exponential moving average. But right now we are just reversing. As you can see, how many times did it reject this daily downtrend line? ADA is looking like it's turning around, boys. All right, let's jump straight into the news. New York City Mayor-elect Eric Adams plans to make NYC the center of crypto innovation. He says we must open our schools to teach cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, noting that Bitcoin is a new way of paying for goods and services throughout the world. Now, this is the guy who said he was going to take his first 3 paychecks in Bitcoin. Historically, New York City has been bad for crypto. So this is like jumping in the rabbit hole. Everything is upside down. This is super bullish for crypto, but I just wonder how the classes are going to go. Okay, kids, open up your book to page 1, How to Buy My Bags. Maybe they should worry about getting the schools open first, but I do like this guy. New York City was the Empire State. Now it's just Gotham City. I hope he can clean it up. It seems promising. He is saying all of the right things. He says in 1 year, you're going to see a different city. We're going to bring businesses here. We're going to become the center of life science, the center of cybersecurity, the center of self-driving cars, drones, the center of Bitcoins. We are going to be the center of technology. I hope he can pull this off. He's just a mayor. The state of New York is super corrupt, and so is the federal government, but this is a step in the right direction. Fight these guys on the local level. Let's change the world. We can do it together. Global investment bank JP Morgan Chase has doubled down on its Bitcoin price prediction of 146K. Now, as you know, JP Morgan Chase is the biggest bank in the world right now and the most profitable. The bank's analysts explain that the price of the cryptocurrency could reach that level if the volatility subsides and institutional investors start investing in Bitcoin more than gold in their portfolios. Basically, they want volatility to subside. Good luck. Basically, they're saying, guys, quit playing whale games, and then these institutional investors will come, the herd will come and buy your bags. That's basically what I am getting out of this. The firm's analyst, Nicholas Panzaglu, has predicted the price of Bitcoin could reach 146K in the long term, with a short-term price target of 73,000 for 2022. I mean, that's reasonable. Digital assets are on a multi-year structural ascent, but the current entry point looks unattractive in our opinion for investment horizon of 12 months as Bitcoin appears to have returned to overbought territory. I tend to agree with this. I know everyone's super bullish, like 100K, and yeah, we might get there. I'm not saying trade the top. I'm not saying that. But what I'm saying is there is this giant bearish divergence looming overhead on the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, right here. Look how bad it is. We'll say this is the previous top. It doesn't matter. Look how bad it is. It is ticking up here. But I mean, guys, we're making new highs on the weekly chart with lower relative strength. I mean, bear markets will happen. Bitcoin is on a 4-year cyclical cycle. I just want you to be aware of this. I don't want you to sell and panic. There's nothing in the chart right now that says sell and panic. Remember, we're trading the trend, and the trend is up right now. Bitcoin can stay irrational longer than you can stay solvent. Bitcoin continues its PR run with the president Bukele of El Salvador. As you know, they have made Bitcoin legal tender there. And now we have puppies. Buy Bitcoin and save puppies from the president of El Salvador. And I'm just saying it's a big press run because we're saving the children. We're saving the puppies. And really, we're lifting a lot of people out of poverty. A lot of people that have never had money before really got rich off of Bitcoin. It's one big transfer of wealth. It could be the biggest transfer of wealth and freedom in the history of the world. So kudos to this guy, man. He's a hero in my book. Man, one industry that was really hit hard by the coof is movies. And not only is it from the coof, but the quality of movies is just going downhill. It's all been just like superheroes and people just flying through walls and stuff. I mean, movies have gone downhill, and AMC is doing anything they can, as they should. Also, they seem pretty based. But now they want their own shitcoin. AMC weighs on its own cryptocurrency in nod to meme investors. AMC definitely wants to play into like the Wall Street bets crypto vibe, because that's really the people who are going to the theaters. They know their demo. They're doing a good job. They're doing what they can to survive. AMC Entertainment Holdings, the world's largest theater chain, is exploring the creation of its own cryptocurrency in a fresh nod to the meme investors who have sent its stock soaring to over 2,000%. They know their demo. A lot of this article is fluff, you know, like it does say that their shares are slumping a little bit. I don't know if they're just trying to pump their share price with this news or if they're serious, but is a cryptocurrency a good idea? I mean, I don't understand how that would work. The NFT thing is super cool. But as far as the cryptocurrency goes, like what, I'm going to invest early and then the price is going to go up and I'll have unlimited movie tickets for life. I mean, I don't know about that, but the NFT thing is cool. I think that it's a good iteration of blockchain technology. I think NFTs are the future, and I would be interested in buying an NFT of a cool movie that I like and be able to sell it one day. I like that idea. That's cool. As far as having their own shitcoin, I think that's probably bad optics. I don't like that at all, or I don't even think it's possible. I think that maybe that their share did slump 6.7% in the last quarter, and maybe they're just trying to pump the price. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, consider throwing me a like and a sub, and we're going to have more memes, more fun, and more trash talk. I'll see you guys on the next one.
You think it's funny to take screenshots of people's NFTs, huh? Property theft is a joke to you. I'll have you know that the blockchain doesn't lie. I own it. Even if you save it, it's my property. You are mad that you don't own the art that I own. Delete that screenshot.